COVID-19 has affected us all in profound ways. Lives lost, people divided, no source of interaction other than through our silicon screens. Because of the pandemic, I've spent the last year at home in Saginaw, Michigan, having to take classes online and work remotely. It has been hard to witness so many friends and families, including my own, be affected by the ravages of this disease. Having been quite involved in the community prior to the pandemic, I was itching to get back out there as soon as I could, and there was no better way to do this than to volunteer at our local hospital here in Saginaw, Covenant Healthcare. Since the start of this year, when it was deemed safe to return to volunteering, I've been serving for an average of 7 hours per week at Covenant Healthcare and in the community with the vaccination clinics. Prior to the pandemic, I had been serving at Covenant Healthcare as well. I have been mostly working on the ambulatory surgery floor, where I clean rooms, prepare beds, fetch patient items, and escort patients or family members as they navigate the hospital. I have also volunteered with the vaccination clinics organized by Covenant Healthcare, where I have labeled vaccines after they have been drawn out by the pharmacists and triaged patients for vaccine scheduling. Covenant estimates that the value of each volunteer hour is $25.79. This work relates to my career goals of becoming a physician, as it exposed me not only to patients but also the healthcare setting. Through this, I have also been able to partake in a historic effort to vaccinate a nation in the wake of a pandemic. Being in the setting where people go for COVID-19 care is stressful, but I've been blessed to work among an outstanding team of pharmacists, nurses, nursing aides, and managerial staff to streamline the process and ensure that we are as safe as possible. I have learned and grown so much in the process of giving back to my community, and this experience has shown me that when we band together, we can overcome the greatest of challenges. It takes perseverance, hard work, and dedication, but it is well worth it in the end. Hopefully, we will one day look back at this pandemic and say, through all the turmoil, we came out together, stronger than ever.